morning students. Today's class we are going to study financial markets. Under that we are going to see chapter 5 capital market, functions and importance of capital market. So you know what is capital market? Capital market is a market where buyers and sellers engage in trading of financial securities like bonds and stocks. This capital market provides for long-term financial assistance for individual, for corporate sectors, or even for government. So in a capital market we are able to generate a quick capital. So this capital is very much essential for the development of economy. When we are able to generate the capital quickly, it can be used for the development of economy. So this is made possible only with the help of the capital market. Now let us see what are the functions of capital market. Savings and capital formation, permanent capital, industrial growth, ready and continuous market, reliable guide to performance, proper channelization of funds, provisions of variety of services, development of backward areas, foreign capital, easy liquidity. Now first point, let us discuss children, saving and capital formation. What does this point says? Capital market enables to mobilize the savings of various sectors of the population. நம்மளோட இந்தியன் எக்கானமியில் there are various sectors of population like individuals, financial institution, corporate sectors and government. ஸோ இவங்களோட சேவிங்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையுமே நம்ம ஒரு இடத்துல, அதாவது ஒரு பேங்க்குன்ற ஒரு இன்ஸ்டியூஷனில் லாக் பண்ணாமல் நம்ம இன்வெஸ்ட் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சோம்னா we can make use of this capital market. Okay, so capital market, as we already know, it's a place where trading of financial instrument take places. So when we invest in capital market, it provides for a good returns for us. At the same time நம்மளோட ஷேர்ஸுக்கு liquidity இருக்குது. ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு twin features இருக்கிறதுனால it attracts many investors. Okay children, so when we do the purchase and selling of the financial instruments, automatically we can raise the capital of the economy. When that is raised, it leads to the development of the economy also. We can use for various development purpose in the economy. Next you see permanent capital formation. So capital market provides for permanent capital formation. For example, let us take a company. A company, it needs funds to run the business continuously. But the people who are investing in the company, they are the investors. They need not be as a long investor in a company. So what does a capital in a market do in this situation? So what do they do is that they enable the investors to purchase or sell the securities, and this process goes on continuously in the capital market. On the other hand, no company is affected by shortage of funds, because if one investors come out of the company also, he can sell it to another person, and immediately his place will be occupied by the another investors. So in this manner, the capital of the company will not be affected, and the company need not run shortage of funds also. Coming to industrial growth. So capital market helps in the industrial growth. How it helps in industrial growth? Because through capital market, people are able to invest in some productive channels. This stimulates the industrial growth and economic development, because people will come forward to buy the shares of the company. On the other hand, the company can make use of it in a productive manner. So this leads to many new entrepreneurs also, at the same time industrial development also. Ready and continuous market. So this capital market provides for continuous as well as ready market for the purchase and selling of shares. How is it possible? Stock exchange is one of the institution in the capital market. Where the stock exchange will be situated, it will be situated in any main areas only in a country. So the investors can go to that particular place in the centralized area and they can buy and sell the securities. So this gives for easy marketability for the investment in the securities, at the same time liquidity also. Next, reliable guide. Now stock exchange, which is in the capital market, or any other financial organizations in the capital market, they serve as a reliable guide to the performances and the financial positions of the corporate sectors. So when the corporate sectors register the names in the capital market, the price of the shares, the regarding the indexes of the capital of the company can be easily found out from the capital market. So this will be very much helpful for the investors to know about the company, and accordingly they can select the company and make their investment in that particular company. So capital market act as a guide to the investors regarding the marketable situations in the day-to-day market. Proper channelization of funds. Now capital market enables the investors to find the correct price for the securities, isn't it not? So it provides as a channel to invest the funds of the individuals in a particular company. ஸோ ஒரு இன்வெஸ்டரோட ஃபண்டு வந்து எஃபெக்டிவாக அங்கே யூட்டிலைஸ் ஆகுது. ஸோ தட் இஸ் வை இட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ப்ராப்பர் சேனலைசேஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபண்ட்ஸ். நெக்ஸ்ட், கம்மிங் டு ப்ரொவிஷன்ஸ் ஆஃப் வெரைட்டி ஆஃப் சர்வீசஸ். The stock exchange, it provides various services to the people. So what are the services they do? They grant loans. The loans can be medium term or long term loans, and they provide underwriting facilities. Underwriting facilities, I have already told you, underwriter is like a broker, it's a mediator between the investor and the company. Suppose a company or an individual want to sell the shares, he can hand over the shares to the underwriters. The underwriters gives a guarantee to sell the shares and give. Suppose if he is not able to sell the shares, then what the underwriter does is that he himself purchases shares. So in either way, it does not become a loss either for the company or for the investors. So all these facilities are provided in the capital market. Next, assistance in the promotion of companies. Participation in quick equity capital. That means you are able to buy the shares of the company, whether it is equity share capital or preference share capital or any type of capital you are able to invest. Then it gives a expert advice to the investors, whoever is purchasing, or at the same time whoever want to sell the shares. So on the whole, guidelines is provided in the capital market, as well as many services is also done in the capital market. Next, you see development of backward areas. So from the capital market, we are able to generate what? Long-term funds. These long-term funds can be used for development in backward areas. How it can be used for development in backward areas? To develop a backward area, we have to start industries over there. So when people get long-term funds, if an entrepreneur wanted to do his business or to increase his business or to adapt a new place for his business, then even he can select the backward areas, and then he can start an industry over there. On the other hand, those backward areas are made use of by this industry, and it automatically that region develops, isn't it not, children? So this facilitates economic development also on the other hand. Next, you see capital market enables for generating the foreign capital. Okay, so Indian firms, they need not invest only in the Indian companies, but they can even invest in the foreign countries. So when it comes for foreign investment, our government has made many liberalization in foreign direct investment. That's why easy and investment in foreign countries is made possible. At the same time, we are able to make use of the foreign technologies. So when we make use of the foreign technology, automatically our country also can be developed by using the foreign technologies. Next is that easy liquidity. We know that we have primary market and secondary market. So secondary market enables the investors to sell the securities easily. So when the shares are sold quickly, there is easy liquidity. Isn't it, not children? The commercial banks enable the investors to withdraw or deposit. The withdrawal and the deposit features are also made easy, so people can withdraw the money from the commercial banks and they can invest in their financial instruments. So easy liquidity is found in the capital market. So I've given some assignment questions, children. You have to study the importance and the functions of the capital market. Please take notes of it in your classwork note. Thank you.